young people of Amani National Congress. They have done us proud. They have worked as a team. They have consulted widely. They've extended their friendship with our partners and gone deep. The partners that have been mentioned here, Conrad, NDI, IRI, Oslo Center, they are unbundling the politics of this country. When I say unbundling, because sometimes people think politics is complicated. These young people have just made it simple. We have the Youth Charter, which they are launching. They have done a manual that captures what you require as a candidate, irrespective of age, so that when you present your papers, you have what is required at party level and what is required in the context of IEBC regulations. This is a major milestone when it comes to young people. It walks the talk. You have heard that we have the youngest Secretary General in town. Come on. We have Munare, who has been leading us in creating this digital platform. And the young people who have collectively put all this together. This is the party for the future, and the future is not about leaders of tomorrow. The future is here, and the young people must take control of the future now, today, and tomorrow.